Okay, so the frog has been yawning. Just look. Look at him, look at him. Also, I got this thing for bugs, but I can put them inside and take them on road trips now. It's weird how this, hey dude. Yes, very nice crunchy sound. Dude, you why are you yawning? Are you okay? It's not okay. Never seen him do that before. Are you okay? I don't think, help me, what do I do with him?